Hi everyone. Let us today talk about API data integration in Python. An API integration is the process of connecting two or more applications using an application programming interface. This is what API stands for, application programming interface. API integration is connecting two or more applications using an API and letting them share data and functionality with each other. This can improve the functionality of applications, create new applications, and also automate your tasks. It is an especially valuable tool for companies, helping them save money, time, boost efficiency, and deliver a better user experience. Python, with its rich set of libraries and frameworks, provides powerful tools for API integration across various domains such as web services, databases, and cloud platforms. API data integration in Python involves using application programming interfaces, APIs, to retrieve, manipulate, and use data in the Python applications. APIs act as intermediaries and allow your application to communicate with external systems, enabling you to fetch data or send data programmatically. Let us learn the basic key steps of API data integration. The first step before we try to integrate any API into our application is understanding the API. This involves understanding the documentation to understand the endpoints, the URLs for requests, and the HTTP method supported, get, post, pull, delete, all these methods. Also, the parameters, headers, and authentication requirements of this API, and the structure of the response, and how do we parse it. Now, after that, the next step would be setting up the environment and installing necessary Python libraries, such as your request library, your URL library, etc. We will also need to, because many APIs require authentication or in the form of API keys or OAuth tokens or bearer tokens, we need to get them and pass these credentials or as headers or parameters in the request that we make. Next step is get ready to make API requests. We use appropriate HTTP methods to interact with the API and make requests for the data. Now, once we make, we should also be prepared to handle the responses. Responses are typically in JSON format, which can be parsed with Python's JSON module or the .json method of the request library. Now, it is also important to handle errors gracefully, such as connection timeouts or invalid credentials. Once we have fetched the data in our application, we can store it in our databases, files, or other structures. This is how these are the general steps for any API integration into our application. Now, the use cases of API integration typically is for data retrieval. So you have APIs like OpenWeatherMap, Twitter, or Google Maps, and then they let us use the data for our analytics. Similarly, to automate workflows like sending emails or notifications, we could use APIs like Twilio or Sendgrid. Also, this API integration also enables integration with third-party services. Like you can you can synchronize data between systems using APIs like Salesforce or HubSpot. Now, challenges and how do we handle API integration? Rate limiting. So many APIs restrict the number of requests that we can make. In those cases, we respect the limit and implement retries with exponential backoff. Error handling. So when we have unexpected response formats and network failures, and how do we handle HTTP errors? All of that can also be a challenge. when we are trying to integrate an API into our application. So the security issues. So it is always good to keep the API keys and tokens very secure. Avoid hard coding them into your scripts. Use environment variables or secure vaults to secure the API keys. Also, APIs may have multiple versions. Always specify the correct version in the request to ensure the compatibility of the results. Use tools like Postman or CURL for testing and debugging API calls before integrating them into the Python code. If we take care of these factors, API integration can be really helpful for us to make our applications much better. This is the end of a beginner's guide to API data integration in our Python.